So yeah, we're gonna keep walking up. We're gonna end at Boom. But yeah, check the boat in the distance there. Look at that. Big boat.
I was saying to you, it's massive, isn't it? It's a super cruise.
But you gotta think Marmaris and Ishmael is a very touristic destination. They have everything set up for you. For cheap stuff, for clothes. The problem, like I said, is they've had to put the prices up. So it's a massive shame. I wish, the government could see my video and maybe bring the taxes less on these people because, oh God, he's playing R&B. He did not seem like the R&B type of guy there. That guy was just wrecking out the R&B there on his bicycle. Yeah.
Don't judge a book by its cover.
Don't judge no books, eh? But yeah, I don't think this walk will take this long. We're already at 17 minutes, so well done to us for making it last so long.
Yes.
And well done for everyone who's had a little chat there because, it's important that we talk about the issues that are here so the public can understand, oh, it's getting expensive. Oh yeah, but that's not their fault. They're just trying their best. They're all trying their best.
There's a cause and effect.
Cause
and effect.
That's the one. Boy up here.
Bit chilled, isn't it? Very chilled. Got Prime here, nice sort of restaurant, very
nice. And then look, you go shoom, round to the side here.
Then we're coming up to our.
So you got Santana. Hello, brother. Soon. And then next to it, Lotus Kebab. You okay, brother? I'll show you that beach. Look, boom. There's Lotus Beach there. So, we're coming up to where we're going. We're going to Boom to sit down, chill for a little while. So, if you're coming to Marmaris, make sure you come to Boom. Make sure you come. Look, they got a little pontoon that goes out. Let me take you up there quickly. You go there, Sabrina. Go on, I'll take him up here. I'm going to take you up here quickly. I'll let Sabrina go. I'll show you this. If you've watched we did a feature video on Boom. We came here, we tried some food. So you can see the feature video on Boom. But yeah. You've got these lovely areas where you can sit, chill out, do what you want to do. This is at no extra cost. Hello. These are at no extra cost. You just come here, chill out. They've got bean bags if you don't want to take the bed. And look. Check it out. Marmaris Ishmael. Absolutely stunning views. Pretty much no matter where you go, you get these views. And here, look, you can just jump off. You want to jump off, you can take a jump. Over there in the distance, that's Marmaris Old Town and the harbour. So obviously that's where you got the big cruise ship just docked up. Over there in the distance, you've got a few boats that are private, I guess, private boats. Next to it, you've got Kent Bar, which Kent Bar has changed its name this year. And you've got Point Beach next to it. So Kent is now called Point, and you've got Point Beach. Let's go and say hello to, sorry, excuse me, thank you. Let's go and say hello to Kent Bar. It's a lovely day today. It's been about 27, right now it feels like about 27, 28. Really, really beautiful day. I'm running away from Sabrina, see if she'll find me. There she is. You wait there. So, we're going to come here. This is where we're coming to. We come to Boom Bar. I'm trying to get Sabrina to just go and sit down. I'm going to go and speak to Shaggy. I'm going to speak to Shaggy. So let's go and speak to Shaggy. Okay, Shaggy boy. You alright, Shaggy?
I'm alright. How are you? You
I'm
alright?
good, love you.
Nice to see you again.
Another time in 1 year, 2 times? Whoa.
Yes, more than welcome.
Yeah.
It's shit season, isn't it?
It's fucking dead.
Look, everywhere is quiet.
Quiet.
It's empty.
Got you.
Thank you, thank you.
Always follow you.
You guys followed us, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's get you on the
Yeah.
camera. What's your names?
Can you get my fan in?
It's fucking hot. Hey.
Yeah, Carla.
Carla and
Chris.
Chris, lovely to meet you both.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Chester.
Chester. Oh, where's Chester? Near Manchester.
Near Manchester, Liverpool way. Yeah.
There's a lot of Northerners love coming here.
Yeah.
Liverpool, Leeds. We find a lot of Leeds people here.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of Leeds.
Yeah.
So you guys fit right in.
Yeah.
It's either
I've had knock-off clothes.
Marmaris or Benidorm for us. Marmaris or Benidorm.
Yeah, Marmaris or Benidorm,
Have we seen Benidorm?
yeah. We've seen
Michael,
the
from Holland.
Benidorm channel.
Oh yeah, the
Michael,
Benidorm
we've
enthusiast.
seen Lucy.
Yeah.
That'll be there,
No,
yeah.
no, the Benidorm channel. Benidorm
Oh.
enthusiast is Lucy.
Lucy, that's right.
Yes.
That's right. That's
I'm
right.
Benidorm now.
Yeah.
And they've all managed to capture us on their cameras.
You've got to figure on all of us now. Cheers, guys. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
Have a good holiday.
Yes.
How long are you here for?
Another week.
Another week, yeah.
We got here Saturday. We leave a week today.
Wow. Enjoy your holiday then, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Never change.
Hey, never change. That's it. You right, brother?
Thank you.
Brother,
This is Jamie.
Jamie. Oh, happy birthday, Jamie.
thank you.
Chris's son.
Oh, it's your son. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Well, you're on the vlog now, so have a look out for yourself. See you soon, guys, yeah?
When will it be on?
This will be maybe when I get back. I'll get back on Friday, so Saturday, Sunday.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah.
Well, keep an eye out.
All right? Cheers, guys. See you later.
He lives next to your t-shirt.
I live near Barrow.
Oh, well, I don't know what the hell that even means.
There's
Sorry.
a place in Marypole called Barrow and I live there.
And that's it, right? Maybe it's someone who designed it from there.
You
I don't know,
that?
I bought one of them t-shirts.
You got one?
Yeah, I got it from me.
That's it. So
I got a white one and a black one.
I got SS. I got a white and a black same. Yeah, cool, isn't it?
Can
I
you
thought it was
talking
cool.
about how is Marmaris?
How's Marmaris at the moment?
Oh God, we were recording. Marmaris is very, very hot right now,
Yeah.
but not very busy.
Not busy, is it?
Not busy at all. Lots of people walking, but no one sitting and drinking.
No. It's like they're in the all-inclusive. They don't want to
Yeah,
come out.
everyone's doing all inclusive.
Maybe it's.
Sure.
I get it. Like things have changed. The prices have gone up. They can't do anything about it.
They've done it
It's
everywhere,
out of
haven't
it.
they?
Yeah, and come on, Spain is expensive.
Yeah.
Everywhere is expensive.
It is.
And this is just falling into
England's
line.
expensive.
Yes, but come on, we can get a curry for
But
6-7
food's
quid.
cheap, yes. I had a burger, chips, coke and everything yesterday, £13. Can't go wrong with that,
Is it?
can you?
That's it.
No.
What's your
good.
name?
Amy.
Amy. Lovely to meet you, Amy.
You
Yeah. Right. Catch you soon. Hey,
That's the lovely people.
one more.
Lovely meal.
How about you?
Go TikTok later.
You alright?
Yes, I'm very well, thank you. Now I'm
I'm
here.
going to search the Barrow man on TikTok.
How long are you here for? You living here?
No, I'm only here for a week.
Right. Where are you from?
Ilford Dreamer.
Hang out.
I'm a Saudi.
We're on TV now. You on TV?
TV.
But I'm
I
having
love
it
you.
too.
I'm on TV. I'm
You're on
just doing
TV,
an interview. One
doing
second,
interviews.
let me interview. Let
With
me,
them nails.
Get back to you.
Get a
second.
close up on them nails. Have you ever seen nails that
I
long?
know. Fucking hell.
Sorry, I was just she was
What's a close up of them nails?
What the hell are you gonna do with them?
anything I like.
Bloody hell. Bloody hell. Yeah, exactly. Fuck that.
Yeah, no, I
Except
love
for
it
picking
here.
nose. Can't do that.
I love this place. I was
Love
here.
it, yeah?
I was here in April.
April, we came in May. It's
Yeah,
lovely. It's
yeah.
absolutely lovely. It's more busier in May than now.
Yeah, it is. I don't
going
know.
on?
I don't know what's
Like
going on.
everyone is scared to come out or something.
Yeah, it's like when they come over. When they come over here, it's like it's school holidays. It's full of kids, so
Yeah.
you don't mind it so much, but they can stay in the family.
Exactly. Stay over there.
Yeah, but like I'm so shocked at how quiet it is. It really is quiet.
It's crazy because, like I said, we came in May. It was more busier.
Football.
What is it now?
Now it's more busier than May.
Yeah, definitely.
When I came in May, it was more busier then, I say.
No, May was more busy than now.
That's right. Yeah, that's correct.
But the
Okay.
football's on.
Yeah.
A
So
lot
then,
of people, a lot of people stay home for that.
oh, okay. So maybe it's the football.
Yeah, they will.
Well, let's hope so, and hopefully July everything picks up for them because because the problem is if it stays like this, everyone's going to close. Everyone's going to close, and next year it won't be as good.
And you know
And-
what Christmas makes
Exactly.
everything closing, COVID.
Exactly.
And that's all the people's fault for not bringing tourism.
Exactly.
And if she get married in May,
You got married?
yeah.
Well, why are you here on your own?
I'm not.
He's gone into it. He's run away. He's seen the mic.
Yeah, did he?
Hello,
He
lovely.
ran away when he seen the camera.
Ah, look at him. He wants
love you,
promotion. Get my beer.
My God,
Get my
Jay.
beer. She's
I
over
love
there. Let me bring you in there. My girlfriend's over there. She's sitting down. Right, as I said before, the bar has changed this year to point. So this year's to the point. Hello, guys. Oh, everyone's here now. We got you all. You're all right. So this year, Kent Bar is now point. Yeah, let me show you it's still got the old menu. Let's zoom in there. So what we got? Cocktails, $4.90. Let's change this over. Hold on. What you got there? Tequilas, $4.90. Gin, $2.90. What's a beer? Draft beer, $1.30. Look, is that the cheapest? $1.30. I think we've seen it at $1.70. And we've seen drafts at $1.70. So
Get a buy one get one free cocktail, 490 lira.
$490.
Yeah,
And the one
sure.
beer is $1.30.
And then be a pint of beer, extra start cold ice beer, only 130 lira.
Wow, that's the
Mid-
cheapest.
Less than £2.
Exactly, it's the cheapest.
Cheaper than Paradise. Cheaper than all different places. And restaurants.
Exactly. And you're gonna give me one for free now, so let's have my free beer.
No worry.
So guys, what we're gonna do, we're gonna end this one here. Thank you for watching. We Wagwan Tours. We are in Ishmala and Marmaris for the next few days. If this comes out before I get home, thank you for watching. Come and see us. We're gonna do a little meet-up maybe on the 1st. So don't hold me to that though. If this comes out, hopefully it does come out, because I want to put out a video before I get home. I haven't done one yet. So big up for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.